model, 66-plate Peugeot partner professional L1H1 blue HDI spares OR repairs body, silver, panel van mileage, 96,825 MOT, the 31st of March 2024 engine, 1,560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Euro 6 ULEZ compliant features, 0 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999